Hi, I'm Jimmy McKenna, Social Media Director for our company. Today I want to talk to you about a crucial component of our JET platform, social media. Are you looking to build relationships, market your services, or share your expertise in the communities you serve? We teach our agents to do just that. Leveraging social media in your business is a proven technique to build your reputation, market to your sphere of influence, and sell more homes. If leveraging social media to propel your business using our JET platform is something you're interested in, please contact me or anyone from our leadership team.